Hello everybody, Blessed Chick here. Today we're taking a look at these Domett Domett New Zealand tree straps. You can see here that it goes all the way around the tree, and once it starts to get to about this point, it's got these different loops to where you can hook your hammock, and you can see how it is very super duper well stitched. I think these can hold up to 400 or 500 pounds. Included with the straps come this bag, the carry bag, as well as these really super strong carabiners. And now you can see that it is attached to the hammock. And we had to use the straps that came with the actual hammock, but we needed the extension, as you can see. So, love these. They give us what we need as far as reaching from one tree to the next. And there we've got our hammock. It's moving. And there to the other tree with the other strap. Definitely love these. Definitely recommend them. Domett New Zealand tree straps. 5 stars. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye-bye.